Coronavirus COVID-19 has changed the way we live, interact, and work. In today's climate, the hygiene of your infrastructure is crucial. Providing a safe environment, virus-free, is priority to serving clients and reassuring the welfare of your employees. Viruses such as COVID-19 require more aggressive measures and specialized chemicals in order to ensure positive results. S-Grace Facilities Disinfection Services eliminates harmful bacteria and viruses, including coronavirus. Our technicians utilize electrostatic methods, applying state-of-the-art electroatomizing technology and providing uniform coverage onto hard-to-reach places. Our mission is to ensure you maintain a safe and healthy workplace while preventing any disruption of service to your facilities. We have partnered with an antimicrobial US EPA and FDA-approved patent technology that creates an antimicrobial shield to create longer-lasting protection. We also offer other workplace solutions such as My Work Badge, personal protective equipment, social distancing, and health signages promoting confidence in those working in your organization. Contact us today and see why we've been trusted by companies nationwide. sgracefacilities.com